Role of wetlands in protection from natural disasters by Diksha Chopra. What are wetlands? Wetlands are a vital part of our environment because they are home to plants and animals that are not found anywhere else in the world. These landscapes provide water, food, and protection for humans, plants, and animals. Just as forests are called the lungs of the earth, wetlands are the kidneys that regulate water and filter waste from the landscape. Wetlands are areas where water covers the soil or is present either at or near the surface of the soil all year or varying periods of time during the year, including during the growing seasons. Wetlands may support both aquatic and terrestrial species. The mounting disasters. The frequency of disasters worldwide has more than doubled in the last 35 years to nearly 1,000 in 2014, the majority arising from climate and weather-related natural hazards such as flooding, tsunamis, hurricanes, tropical cyclones, and droughts. With increasing global surface temperatures, the possibility of more droughts and increased intensity of storms will likely occur. As more water vapor is evaporated into the atmosphere, it becomes fuel for more powerful storms to develop. The authors of the IFRC report found that such catastrophes have been rising in number since the 1960s. Importance of wetlands. Wetlands have an important role to play in the lives of humans and animals. If we protect wetlands, we also protect our planet and ourselves. Wetlands are great filters. They trap sediments and remove pollutants, which helps to purify the water. They store water, and this helps to deal with dry seasons with little rainfall. When rivers burst their banks, wetlands can store the excess water. Wetlands replenish the natural groundwater supply. Biodiversity is high around the wetland habitats. Destruction of wetlands can lead to serious consequences such as increased flooding and decline in water quality. They can help in reducing carbon emissions. Wetlands also play a role in combating the impacts of climate change. Wetlands are a natural safeguard against disasters. If we protect wetlands, we protect ourselves. Wetlands at risk. 50% of the world's wetlands have been destroyed. The destruction of wetlands is a concern because they are some of the most productive habitats on the planet. The world's remaining wetlands are under threat due to water drainage, pollution, deforestation, soil erosion, etc. Without wetlands, cities have to spend more money to treat water for their citizens. Animals are displaced or die out, and food supplies are disrupted, along with livelihoods.